lights, just installed. Only took about 10-15 minutes. Let's go check it out and see how they look. Oh yeah, you like that? That's nice. Today I'm going to put in the Kemi Moto Accent light on my KRX-1000. It's a pretty cool kit. It looks like a really easy install. Comes with the 2 accent lights and 2 harnesses, which are basically split plug and play, and 8 simple brackets and screws, which goes onto the grill. So the first thing we need to do is take off the grill, so let's do that. I'm going to do all this with a hand screwdriver, even though I used to do everything with a drill, but these are just plastic. Probably don't want to over tighten through these holes here, so let's go ahead and slip this up through the back, put the wire through. See, it just fits in there nice and tight. One more to go. All right, looks pretty good. Now our next step is to wire them up. So what we need to do is, if you come around the corner, you see your lights here. We need to open those up and do the splitter between them. These are very simple. Male to female, female to male, and then out to the light. Easy. So pull this out, grab our harness, and you can see, so this one, I don't know which is female, which is male, but one goes into one side, click, and the other one goes in the other side. Get her down there. Click. Make sure that sucker's clicked right there. Boom. Okay, we got it all wired up. We just need to plug in the last plug and play and put the thing back in. Let's do that real quick. Boom. Alright, I'm going to put this in and pull those wires back to snug them up and zip tie them. Alright, that's it now. Let's just snip off some zip ties and tie her up. Those things out of the way of the radiator, and good to start her up and see how they look. Hey guys, we got the Kemi Moto Accent lights just installed. Only took about 10-15 minutes. Let's go check it out and see how they look.